Welcome to Giant Machine, where we explore the raw power of heavy-duty machinery. Today, witness an incredible moment as a massive bulldozer meets the might of an industrial cutter. In this enormous industrial scrapyard, nothing goes to waste. The garage is filled with broken metal, scraps, and powerful machines designed to recycle and reshape even the toughest materials. Here it is, the star of today's show. This hydraulic cutter is no ordinary machine. With its razor-sharp dual blades and incredible strength, it slices through the bulldozer's steel body like butter. Just look at those sparks fly. This bulldozer, once a mighty workhorse on construction sites, is now being dismantled piece by piece. Its steel tracks, hydraulic arms, and even its powerful engine are no match for this cutting monster. As the bulldozer's pieces hit the ground, they're ready for recycling. Each part will be melted down and repurposed, giving new life to this old giant. This is how the cycle of industrial machinery continues. This is the fascinating world of heavy machinery and industrial recycling, turning destruction into creation. If you enjoyed watching this incredible transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Giant Machine for more amazing content.